Hello boys and girls. Today I'm going to talk about how to make a shape, a square, which is 2D, length and width, into a three-dimensional form, which would be then a cube. So on my paper I traced 3 squares, and I'm going to move that to the side because I will need to do some erasing of my lines. So the first thing I usually do is get a newspaper to protect my work surface because I am using marker and I do not want it to get on my work surface. So I am folding my paper into 3 sections, which I like to do when I have 3 different scenarios. So my first box, in 2nd grade, you normally learn to offset another square, either the same size or smaller, below the first square. And then all you do is connect that same corner to the new square in the same corner. So you will do that in 3 locations. Now I can highlight the existing sides that are staying with my black marker, and I changed my square into a cube. Okay, so I would erase these other lines here. So the next scenario is using something called perspective. So this is box A, we're calling this box B. Okay, so I have a light line drawn. I use the width of my ruler. You line it up with the edge, hold it straight, draw a line. When you do perspective, you're working from a line that becomes your sight line. So for this box B, I'm going to say this is my eye level line, and I'm going to put a dot. Okay, from that dot, I extend my corners like this. Okay, now this one you would barely see because it's almost straight up above that corner. And you can go back and highlight the front edges, and that'll show you a very, very deep box. If you wanted to make that not so deep, what you'd have to do is determine where is the back of the box by finding it on one of the sides and drawing a horizontal line that's parallel to this line, and drawing a line down for the side that would be parallel to the front side. Okay, and then this would just go away. Now, that would look like you were looking at this cube from a little bit above it. Now, let's just say you want to see the bottom of the cube. So I'm going to put my vanishing point over here. This is box C. So I am going to extend my corners that are closest to that dot like this. Okay, I can go ahead and trace this cube. Oops, a little bit offline there. Okay, and now we can see the bottom of that box. And again, if you don't want the boxes deep, you find a line or a point, I should say, on the bottom in this case, and go up parallel to the line that's next to it. And then here, that would be the bottom of your box, and then this would go away. So there are 3 ways to make a cube, going from shape to form. Thanks for watching. Tune in next time to the next step.